Yes, my name is Bruce Wheeler Jr., DDS, General Dentist in Red Bluff, California, in Northern California. My story starts about 3 years ago when I first had arm pain, left arm pain. I laid it to a muscle strain, didn't think too much about it, but it persisted, and finally I told my VA doctor at the Reading outpatient VA, and he was suspicious it might be angina. So he scheduled a stress test on the treadmill, and I failed that big time. They were worried I was going to have a heart attack any second. They gave me a nitroglycerin tablet, a beta blocker, and 4 different baby aspirins. We went to the operation room. The cardiologist comes in. He did a heart catheterization through the femoral artery, and in about 15 minutes he closed that artery up, and we went out, and he told me I had no choice but to do open heart surgery. The blockages were 90% in 2 arteries and 70% in 2 other arteries, and it was not a candidate for stents. So I had to do open heart surgery. So they said, well, you have to have this done now. You're liable to have a heart attack any time. And I said, no, I can't do this. I have to get my affairs in order, and I have to research this. And in the back of my mind, I knew there was another alternative, but I didn't know what it was. I signed the waiver and left, went home, immediately called Whitaker Wellness, talked to Janet Gast, and she advised me that EECP and hyperbaric therapy is what I needed, and that would work very well, which it has. After 31 treatments, I was able to take the stress test again and passed it with flying colors. The cardiologist here was very impressed with all the progress I made, and the Whitaker Wellness Institute and Dr. Whitaker in particular deserves hugs and kisses for the great job they've done. I'm going to be an ambassador for this treatment from now on.